Hello there everyone, today we will be making a little animation. So firstly, I will show you some costumes that I made. You can use these for reference or something if you want to make your own costumes, or you could do something else like simply going to choose a sprite and getting a random sprite. Now, you're probably wondering, how do we do decoding? Well, it's surprisingly easy. Elementary level, really. You put this block when flag clicked and you go to looks, next costume, you go to control, wait 1 second and repeat 10 times. We're gonna change this because it takes a lot of time. 0.030 I think's the best. Let me see the sprite numbers. We have 13 sprites, so I guess now we have to repeat it to 13, and we're going to be making George over here talk. But how do we make him talk? He's just lip syncing. Well, we go to sound and you can get a custom sound, or you could get a sound from you could record it or upload it. Well, I uploaded one. Take a here.
Hello.
Alright, now let's see it. This is also very easy. You just press when clicked and you go to sound. Play this sound. Now let's hear it.
Hello.
See? Very simple, isn't it? Now I hope you do well with this tutorial and I hope you do good. Have a nice day.